Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. I hope you had a really good weekend. Let's start off by working on calendar. All right, so the last day we were together was the 24th day of April, which was Friday. Then we had a stay-at-home day, which was Saturday, and a nice relaxing day on Sunday, which was the 26th. And today is Monday. We're going to stop there. And the date is the 27th. It happens to be a sunny day here. All right, this is how we write the date. 4-28. Oops, sorry, 27. 27 2020. And Pigeon is standing on the number 143. 143. All right, we have a new diagram. It's PH. The PH says F, like the letter F. I know. English is like that. There are some words that we will go over that start with the letter PH, and some that have the PH in them. So to give you some ideas of what your writing could be like. Okay, we have a new sight word. It's sight word this. All right, this is what it looks like in an ice cream sandwich. Let me draw my ice cream sandwich. My two lines that guide my letters. All right, here we go. Oh, that's not very straight. Let me try that again. Okay, a little bit better. Start at the top, go down, lift. And I can make my T right on top of that little one, that little line up at the top, okay? For H, start at the top, go down. Don't pick up your pencil and go around for the bump. And then I, S. It has the word is in there. It says this. It's showing something. This belongs to you. This is where we're going. It shows something. I can show a place too. Like, I'm trying to think. This is a brown and red mug. Well, yellow. Brown, yellow, red mug. Okay. And then if you're driving to Disneyland and mommy or daddy point out, this is where we're going. Okay? It can be a place as well. All right, TK friends, let's look at our daily checklist, okay? Mine is black and white today. I ran out of color. All right, so on Mondays, that's the only day we have 4 things to do. All the other days we have 3 things to do because of our weekly poem, okay? And I already worked on my poem, so let me read it to you. That's number 1 on our to-do list. Cell phone. I have this new red cell phone that is laying by the stone. I can call my grandma every day to tell her what I did to play. So I highlighted all my sight words that I know. I have, that's this week's word, is by the I, can, my, to, I, at. Okay? And the words that rhyme are phone and stone and day and play. All right? Let me read it one more time so it sounds a little more fluid. Cell phone. I have this new red cell phone that is laying by the stone. I call my grandma every day to tell her what I did at play. It's kind of hard for me to read it backwards. It looks backwards to me. So I have to go like this. Oh, and make sure it has a red case or that your cell phone is completely red, okay? Because it matches with our picture. You have this page. Trace it, color it, find it, and write it in the ice cream sandwich, okay? Do your best work. And your math page for today. We have our graphing page. We have 5 bugs. And you need to have 5 different colors. So I used an orange crayon for my little caterpillar. And if you notice, I have little dots in my boxes. That helped me count. So I colored it and I found it 9 times. So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I went back and colored it. The dots really help. I want to show you something that you can also do. So I used a green crayon to find all the ladybugs. So let's count. Well, I'll count for you. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you don't want to, you don't have to go up and count all 10 boxes. Just look at the numbers. 10. I want to stop right there. So if I know I have to stop there, I can go ahead and just color the entire column. Oops, my papers are falling. See, I can just go ahead. That's not going to work. Just go ahead and color the column. Nice, neat work, even though you're kind of coloring everything at once. Okay? And there we go. I didn't have to put a dot in each one this time. So try that this time. Okay? Color, graph the butterfly, the spider, and the bee, the bumblebee, okay? All right, keep this because you're gonna need it for tomorrow's questions about the graph, okay? And let's see, lastly, we have our writing page. All right, think of something that you'd like to write that starts with PH or has the PH in it, and I have some examples for you. All right, I wrote them here. I have phone, phantom. Phantom is another word for ghost. Pharmacy, that's like CVS or Walgreens or Rite Aid, where you can get your medicine when you're sick. Photo is a picture, photograph. It's just photo for short. And then graph. We just worked on a graph. That's this. Graph has PH at the end. Dolphin has PH in the middle. Telephone has PH in the middle as well. Sphere. Oh, that goes back to our math word. A sphere is like a circular shape, a three-dimensional circular shape that can be like a ball, a basketball, a soccer ball, a baseball. The word elephant has PH in the middle, and alphabet has PH towards the front. Alphabet. And trophy. Oh, you can say, I won a trophy at my soccer game. And they tell us about the trophy. All right. So draw your picture first. Get some ideas, 3 or 4 ideas about what you want to write. And then last should be your title, because then you're going to get even more ideas from your drawing and your writing as to what your title should be. Okay, so let's say you write about dolphins. If you want to write about a dolphin, you can say the dolphin or dolphins. If you're giving people information about what you're writing, okay? All right, TK friends. I do want to work on my bread observation page today before I let you go. So this is what my control slice looks like. A lot more yellow. Those green dots are bigger. All right, green mold, yellow mold, and I still see a bit of peach there. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is record that now. So in my handy dandy book, I'm gonna flip to the page that's next that doesn't have anything. So the last time we recorded something was on Friday the 24th, and this is what it looked like. So it looks like my control slice has a bigger yellow part. It was smaller here, it grew here, so it's gonna be even bigger today. Okay, let me write today's date, 4-27-2020, and you know what, go ahead and write the date on the next page as well, okay? 27-2020. I'm going to do this with you today, and during our Zoom class we will answer these questions, okay, TK friends? So let me get my yellow and my green, and let me record what I see. So I have 3 dots. Let's see if I can do it this way. 1, 2, 3 dots. Bigger yellow spots. Bigger yellow. Okay, here we go. Oof, it's almost encompassing the entire bread. And then there's another one over here. Okay, and this slice of bread still has some peach on it. You can still see what the bread used to look like. And it's actually the only slice. All the other slices, the other 2 slices are completely covered in the yellow and green mold. All right, here's my clean slice. All right, TK friends. It looks like I'm running out of time, so I'm gonna have to continue this on the next video. So I stopped there. I'm going to stop this video and continue on the next video. Okay, friends?